and customized rate quote.
All right, well, with last night behind us, the big question now is where are we headed as a nation with everything that's before us? That's the big question. Karl Rove weighs in this morning. Dana Perino is here, and Chris Wallace also weighing in this morning. An honor killing in Arizona, the latest shocking testimony. Bill and I join you right here at the top of the hour.
Well, folks in Australia may still be recovering from the floods, but today is a day of celebration for them. It's Australia Day, and to celebrate, we have two special guests, one of whom you see right. Okay, now wait a minute. We had an episode last week, so I'm going to stay unclear.
Conservationist Dan Stockdale is here. He's here with his little friend who's kind of big and strong, Australian native Rocco, the red kangaroo. Happy Australian Day, Dan.
Hey, thank you. You too.
And it's the first time I'm really celebrating this.
Look at
Gretchen.
Okay.
I mean, it's appropriate. It's appropriate that you bring a kangaroo because they're indigenous to Australia.
Yeah,
Tell us what it means to your country.
Well, as far as the kangaroo, this is the celebration of the arrival of the first fleet in 1788. 11 ships arrived there in Sydney Cove, and yeah, that's the reason for celebrating. Actually, an Australian friend of mine actually says the reason so they can drink more beer, but hey.
Yeah. Who's that argue?
For some reason, this kangaroo likes to jump this way.
I know,
tell us about the jumper, because I understand this red kangaroo can jump 2 feet in one jump.
Well, yeah, they can jump a little bit further than that. Actually, when they're full grown, they can jump up to 25 feet and up to 10 feet high.
Can we see it, Dan? Can we see him in action?
Well,
so this is Rocco, right?
Yeah, this is Rocco. Actually, his name was Rocco until last night.
Until what happened last night?
About 10:15 after watching the presidential address.
What do you call him now?
I decided to name him Baracco. Well, there's a good reason for that, though. I mean, you know, he leans way to the left and jumps to the right, but he wants all of us to think he's in the middle.
Oh,
so
my goodness.
Right. So we got renamed him.
I mean, those are huge feet, this guy. Why is he looking up, by the way? Does he
yeah, he wants, actually, he's wanting your fingers. He sees those fingers dangling there, and
he
here,
wants
give him
to
some of this alfalfa.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, can I let him go? Can we let him go?
No,
we don't want to let
Brian.
him go, right.
Remember what happened when you let the cobra go in the studio?
There you go. Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers.
Watch your fingers.
Oh.
Brian.
Wow.
Brian.
He's a little...
Now, when he's full grown, he'll reach up to 200 pounds and be 6 feet tall.
And what is the message that you, Dan, would like to give America about Australia on this Australia Day?
Yeah, really, it's not just for Australia, it's for people everywhere. Brian, what are you doing to this
I don't know, but I think he's stuck. He seems like such a friendly animal, but yet powerful and somewhat angry.
Yeah, they're only around you. Only around you. It's like having, actually like having a 3-year-old with ADD. Okay?
Oh, really?
Yeah, perpetual motion. Perpetual motion.
Well, I'm glad of two things, Dan. That you're here with the kangaroo and that the kangaroo's on a leash.
Yeah.
Both of those things are very good blessings for us this morning.
Can we just let him go right at the end?
Yeah, we can let him go.
Let him go. Let him go. Go ahead. You have your freedom. Open the door. Let him out. Free.
Be free.
You're an American now.
Now he stops jumping.
He's naturalized.
We'll be right back.
Let's go to the hot baby.
Naturals from Purina Catch-Out. Delicious real ingredients with no artificial flavors or preservatives. Naturals from Purina Catch-Out. Share a better life.
For 2 days only at Joseph A. Bank. A huge selection of executive suits, sport coats, blazers, $177. Your second, $57. That's handcrafted executive suits, sport coats, and blazers, $177. Your second, an incredible $57. Wednesday and Thursday only at Joseph.